guys, it's your girl Mia Ashanti and I'm back with another video. So as you know by the title, today's video is an updated wash and go routine. So I started off by washing my hair with Main Nutrient Mango Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. And as you can see, I sectioned off a little section in the back and started to detangle. This is gonna be a very get to the point video, not gonna take too long. You already know. So I just tangled this and I went in with the Paul Mitchell foaming pomade. This is what it looks like. It's a professional product. I know you can get it at Sally's Beauty. So yeah, I went ahead and combed this through with my little vent brush that I use. Sometimes I use the flex brush, but I decided to use the vent brush. And I use too much product. This is a product that you don't have to use too much. I put too much in my hand, so I wiped it off with the cotton towel. So now I'm going in with Eco Styler and I'm applying that straight to the roots. And then I apply some more to my fingers and ran that through my hair. And then I like to coat my fingers with some more Eco Styler gel and separate it one by one, and just, I'm using the shingling method. I don't really like to do finger coils because I like to keep my curl pattern. I really don't want the coil pattern, so I just do the shingling method just like this. And yeah, that's pretty much like everything that I do. Separate. And the curls are looking good, bouncy. Separating them helps me have way more definition along with volume. Like, the curls just look so much better when I do this. I was having a lot of trouble with my wash and goes. Like, they weren't coming out how they used to. My hair was shrinking way too much, and I started using this method earlier this summer, and it has helped me so much more when I use smaller sections and shingle, because child, my hair was shrinking to the top of my head. Peep the definition, baby. Yeah, get into it. So I'm just doing the same thing. My hair was a little dry, so I added some water. By the time you get to the top of your head, your hair is gonna be a little dry. So add you some water. Do the same thing, comb it through. Then you're gonna go in with your foaming pomade right after that. Then you're gonna go in with your Eco Styler gel. So I actually like to add a little bit more gel on the top layer of my hair because I don't really like my hair to be too, how do you say, I like my hair to lay flat on the top of my head. So I add extra gel to kind of weigh the top down. That's why my hair looks a little stringy, because I'm adding like way more product than I did. I'm gonna scrunch it up. That'll help your curls pop. And then I'm gonna start separating. You gotta brush the edges back. I really don't like to do my edges like too fancy when I have a wash and go, because you really don't see my edges, especially if I have a middle part. If I have a side part, you can kind of see it more. Oh, bet. We going in with the Main Nutrients Extra Strength Growth Oil. You see it. I'm just going to add that to my ends, and then I started adding some to my scalp after. Make sure you get that part. Get that scalp. This is how you get your hair to grow. You want to add oil to your ends and your scalp. Adding it to your ends is going to help you maintain your length. So make sure you add it to your ends. So this is how my hair looked wet. Yeah, you see the definition. And this is how my hair looked dry. So it shrunk a lot. I typically stretch my hair, but I had went to a party, so it dried fully before I could even stretch my hair, because I like to stretch it after it dries like 90%. But it looked pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.